Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of December. This box did come a little bit early, but I'd rather have it a little early than late. And so for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, jackets, scarves, whatever you want, and then those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 is if you decide to keep nothing from the box. I no longer have the styling fee because I was offered the Style Pass a few years ago, and so I paid a one-time $49 fee, and that gives me unlimited fixes for the year. And the good thing about the Style Pass is that you get to apply that $49 to whatever you keep in the next fix. So for this box, I basically asked for a mix of casual and work clothes. And so we're gonna get into the box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, it kind of looks like this. You've got your bundle and you've got your paperwork on the side. They're promoting their Shop Your Looks right now. I did pick up this particular shirt in my Shop Your Looks app, and I like it. You're gonna see that prepaid mailer bag. Shipping is free both ways, and so anything that you decide not to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put it in this bag and you'll send it on back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. It makes it really convenient. You're gonna have this envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 28 for me. And you're also gonna have your Oh Hello card, which has your style cards and your note from your stylist. And my stylist has been Kara the whole entire time, and I still have her. And her note says, "Hey Jennifer, how are you doing? Hopefully you're staying safe and enjoying the fall season. Can you believe the holiday season is already upon us? I am completely shocked. The year's flown by. I'm sure we are all ready for this year to be over. I want to start by letting you know how grateful I am to style you each fix and build this amazing relationship we have. It's been so amazing getting to know you and helping to evolve your closet. Well, for today's fix, I didn't have any luck finding those longer inseam pants. We struggle finding pants for me because I need like a 33 or 34 inch inseam, and so we're always trying to find the perfect length pants for me. In the meantime, check out these super comfy pull-on skinny jeans in dark gray by Liverpool. For your love of those florals and feminine details, I had to send you the tie sleeve blouse you can layer with the pumpkin spice cardigan. Then to switch things up, there's a hoodie I noticed on your Pinterest board and a classic polka dot sweater. Stay safe and enjoy, XX Kara." And so I love the style cards because they give you some ideas of how to style each piece. And I'm really happy that I've had Kara the whole entire time. It is nice to have the same stylist each time. And so here is my bundle, some nice fall colors. And so the first item is the Markle and Spruce Abrianna long sleeve knit cardigan in burnt orange. And it's a thin weight cardigan. That's that pumpkin spice cardigan she was talking about. It's very light. This would be great for my classroom. My classroom tends to get really hot and then it gets cold, so it's always nice to have a light layering piece to wear, so I can take it on and off as needed. It looks like it kind of has like that waterfall front, so we'll see how that works. I like the color. Next is by Papermoon, the Larie tie sleeve blouse in beige, and it's a thin, feels like polyester, kind of sheer blouse here. It has a nice kind of fall colored floral print right here. I'll get up close so you can see that. That would go really well with that cardigan, and I think that's what she wants me to do. It does have the tie sleeves and the elastic at the end of the sleeve. I don't mind the elastic. I'm not sure how I'll feel about the tie sleeve, but we'll see. And it has that zipper detail on the back. Has that high-low hemline. It's longer in the back, so we'll see how that works. Next is by Absolutely. It is the Markle crew neck pullover in dark gray. And it's a lightweight pullover. This is the first time I've gotten polka dots from Stitch Fix, and I love polka dots. So the polka dots look like they're black on a nice gray background. And so that would be a nice pullover, lightweight pullover to wear with some black dress pants for work. Next is by Markle and Spruce. It is a Kallon brush knit hoodie in burgundy. And it looks like this. It's a nice burgundy color. It has some black and gray striping on the sleeves. It's got a cuff down here. The material is very soft. It has a hood. It does have like the kangaroo style pocket on the front. I love the color. I love how soft it is, so I think that will be nice to try on. And then last, I have the Liverpool Elizabeth Super Skinny Jean in dark gray, and I did size down to a size 8 because I've noticed in my last few fixes the size 10s have been a little bit big, so hopefully these will fit. We will see. They look kind of small, but we'll see. And I do like the pull-on style. And with a skinny pant, I don't mind it being a little bit shorter because I'm probably gonna wear booties or something like that to kind of help with that, but we'll see how those work. These pants look like they'll go well with the blouse and the cardigan, so I'm gonna try that on together. So next we're gonna do the try on, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on the top I have the Papermoon Larie tie sleeve blouse in beige, and on the bottom I have the Liverpool Elizabeth Super Skinny Jean in dark gray. And so this is just a cute little polyester blouse. I do have a beige cami on underneath, which is, you're gonna need something underneath of it. The sleeves don't seem to bother me too much. I'm not a huge fan, but they're not really bothering me that much. It's like a 3/4 length sleeve. It is a little bit shorter in the front, comes down longer in the back. Overall, it's a cute little top. It's got the little zip detail in the back. All right, let's look at these jeans. So I sized down to a size 8, and these are nice, stretchy, skinny jeans. They have that band that kind of sucks you in, which is good. Surprisingly, I'm gonna pan you down a little bit. The length isn't too bad. And like I said, I don't mind it hitting more at the ankle with a skinny jean because you're probably gonna wear booties that kind of tuck in. The jeans will kind of tuck into the booty, which is good. Do you think the jeans are too tight? They're very stretchy. Do they look all right in the back? My husband said they look good. My youngest daughter said they look good. So they are comfortable, and they do have a lot of stretch, which is nice. So, and I don't have any gray jeans, so I think this would be a good addition to my closet. I'm gonna put the cardigan on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this cardigan, and this is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorne Abrianna long sleeve cardigan in burnt orange. And I put it over top of the top that she suggested. And I think the colors pair really well together. I like that the sleeves are long. I also like that they're not too tight, because where it's got that little elastic band there and the tie there, you really can't notice that. I actually think this whole outfit pairs well together. And I don't mind the way it kind of drapes in the front. But you guys tell me what you think. I think it looks cute together. All right, I will be right back with the hoodie. All right, guys, I'm back with the fourth item, and this is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorne Kallon brush knit hoodie in burgundy. And has a good sleeve length because I do have long arms. I like the fact that it's cuffed. I like the little gray and black striping. It has a little black drawstrings. It is very soft, and I love how it's kind of like, it's got that little burgundy and black kind of heathered look. Super soft. Got the little pockets in the front. Comes down long enough in the front and in the back. I think it looks pretty cute with the the little gray skinny jeans. So yeah, this is just a nice comfy little casual piece. I like to wear stuff like this on the weekend when I'm running my errands or if I'm lounging around the house. It's got the hoodie. So you guys tell me what you think. Soft, comfortable, I think I like it. I've got one more thing to try on. It's that polka dot sweater and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back with this last item, and this is the Absolutely Markle crew neck pullover in dark gray. This is a cute little polka dot sweater. I like polka dots. I like that it's gray and it has black polka dots. I changed back into my black pants just to kind of match a little bit better. The sleeve length is good. I like that it's cuffed. It's a very lightweight pullover and it just pairs well with black pants. So you guys tell me what you think. I think this is a keeper as well. I'll be right back to do a recap and talk about some prices. All right, I'm back and we're gonna do a real quick recap of some prices, and I think Kara did a fantastic job. I just have a few questions and you guys can help me decide. So the first item on my list is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Abrianna long sleeve cardigan in burnt orange. And I really thought this was a nice lightweight cardigan. I like the way it draped in the front and it paired well with that blouse. And so the cost of it is $38. Next is the Papermoon blouse. This is the Larie tie sleeve blouse in beige, and the cost of this one was $44. And I like the way it paired with that cardigan. Next is the Absolutely Markle crew neck pullover in dark gray. And I thought it was a nice little lightweight pullover to kind of transition between fall and winter, and so paired well with black pants, and the cost of this one is $38. Next was the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Kallon brush knit hoodie in burgundy, and it was really soft and comfy to wear, and the cost of it was $38. So the prices in my box are really good this time. And of course, the most expensive thing would be the Liverpool Elizabeth Super Skinny Jean in dark gray, size 8, $78. The only thing I need to know is if you think I need to size up to a 10. Were they too tight or do you think they fit okay? My husband says they're okay. I'm kind of wondering if I should size up another size, but you guys let me know what you think. And like I said, the cost of these are $78. So Kara did a fantastic job with the prices. The stylist pick subtotal was $236. If I keep all 5, which I'm planning on doing, the discount of 25% would take off $59, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $177. And I think that's a really good price for the items that I got. So you guys tell me what you think about this jeans, and if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. I will leave a referral link in the description box below. That referral link will either be for $50, my husband's had one for $50, or it could be for $25 depending on what we have active. Basically, that referral link waives your styling fee and allows you to spend $25 or $50 towards anything in your first box for first-time customers. And the referral link is good for men or women. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of Stitch Fix unboxings for myself, for my husband, and for my youngest daughter. So don't forget to leave your comments down in the boxes below, and until next time, bye guys.